the challenge for any leader is to understand what is going on in the industry, especially when a situation arises where you have rapidly expanding laws and rapidly changing laws. There's about 10 different states that have state specific privacy laws. And so this is just all continuing to evolve. And the reality is the landscape has changed a lot just in the recent past few years. If you haven't looked at this within the last year or 6 months, you're probably behind the eight ball. I think you have to understand your business process first, understand the risk that's being posed by the handling and processing of that sensitive information that you have. And it's about understanding your risk posture, applying controls based off of your risk posture, and constantly reviewing and having a feedback of, are we doing the right thing? What's the new risk today? Okay, are we managing it? And where companies get into trouble is when they do like a process where they just implement something and then just let it ride. Say, okay, well, we did it once, we're good. And it has to be a continuous process of improvement and management and care and feeding, so to speak, to make sure that you're up to date with the latest best practices and that you're constantly mitigating risk for the organization. You want to have a process that makes sure that you're intaking information. It might be threat information, it might be business changes, it might be personnel changes. Whatever it is, you consider how that's going to impact the protection of that personal information. You know, this concept of constantly staying abreast of the latest changes and in the risk profile for the organization and considered as part of that same process.